Thank you, Madam Speaker. Could the Minister for Defense, National Security and Immigration clarify when military officers working in Fiji Police Force and civil service will be redeployed back to RFMF? Thank you, Madam.
Thank you. I call on the Minister for Defense, National Security and Immigration. You have the floor.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. To answer the questions, all RFMF personnel that are currently in the civil servants have resigned from the RFMF and now being fully paid by the respective ministries that they are in, except for personal staff officers to the Honourable Prime Minister, the bodyguards to the ministers, and there are four posts in the Ministry of Defence where they have attached one major, one senior NCOs, and two other ranks as part of the Ministry of Defence, as has been the practice in the past.
Thank you.
Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Supplementary question.
Supplementary question, Madam.
And I give the floor to the
Madam,
the
Honourable Minister has explained that these people have resigned. Now, in being employed in the civil service, do they follow the same process where they apply for as any person or what? Because otherwise, you will have a conflict here. How did they become employed automatically when others are denied that privilege?
Thank you. Honourable Minister.
Thank you, Honourable Member. They resign and follow through the same process of advertising the post, and then the vacancies are advertised, and then people apply for it, and then go through the process of selection. Thank you.
Thank you. I give the floor to the Honourable Michaela Leaweri.
Madam Speaker, these officers, we believe that they are renting in government quarters, and we would like to the Honourable Minister to inform the House as to whether they're paying market rent for these premises. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you. The Honourable Minister for Defence.
I thank the Honourable Member for the questions. The conditions are the same as other civil servants, and they pay the rent.
Thank you. The Honourable Leader of Opposition.
Madam Speaker, I note that the Honourable Minister has stated that they are bodyguards for ministers. After the elections of September last year, we are now in a democracy. Why would ministers need bodyguards, Madam Speaker, since this is supposed to be a safe country that we live in, and we can go travel peacefully day and night? So my question is, why would ministers need bodyguards? Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you. The Honourable Minister.
Madam Speaker, I thank the Honourable Leader of the Opposition. Having a bodyguard is a prerogative of all ministers. Some don't need bodyguards, and some had been the continuation of bodyguards in the past. It's up to the ministers themselves. As you understand, only a few have bodyguards. Not all of the ministers have bodyguards at the moment. And it's part of the protocol also. You either have the military people or the police bodyguard.